but I'm definitely buying it because I don't want to take the risk. Mosquito repellent. Yep.
Good to see you, man.
You're about 10 hours late.
This is a big old baby mama, though. Look at the size of this thing.
This is like the little villa where everyone's staying.
For the next 9 days, we're gonna be completely stranded in the Amazon jungle.
So we just casually first cast on the spinnerbait. What is going on, fellas? Welcome back to another video. I am currently walking through a village in the middle of Colombia. We're going on such an adventure this week, and I have 3 episodes to drop for you and then a final movie to drop for you, which is just everything pretty much combined into one. It is going to be one heck of a week. As you can see, this is the village. Everyone is eating lunch right now, as you can see. But man, oh man, am I excited for this. Just to get to this point right here, we have traveled for over 10 hours. So to get you back caught up, I'm gonna shoot you over yesterday when we went to Bass Pro Shops to prepare for this insane trip. From there, it's gonna be the travel all the way up until the Amazon jungle. Before we get started with today's video, this was a very expensive trip, and it wasn't possible without our buddies over at DraftKings. So right after the sponsor, we'll get started. NFL fans, are you ready for some more exciting action on the field this week? Well, I've partnered with DraftKings, an official partner of the NFL, and they've got you covered. New customers bet just $5 and instantly get $200 in bonus bets instantly. It's that simple. You bet $5, you get $200 in bonus bets like that. Download DraftKings app right now and sign up with my promo code Paul Cuffaro. That is Paul Cuffaro. The link is right down below. DraftKings customers can also get their skin in the game with the same game parlays. Combine multiple bets from the same game for a shot at an even bigger payout. Now, if sports betting is not available in your state, don't worry. You can still get in on the action with DraftKings Daily Fantasy Sports. Now seriously, what are you waiting for? Go download the DraftKings Sportsbook app right now. The link is in the description down below. You bet just $5, you get $200 in bonus bets immediately. Make sure that when you go and use that link, use my promo code Paul Cuffaro. My promo code is Paul Cuffaro. The link is down below. Big shout out to DraftKings for sponsoring today's video. Let's get back to it. Talk about an aquarium. This is cooler than any I got.
Oh my god,
monster. Yeah, that's like a 15-pound.
Oh my god, that's dinner for 4.
That's dinner for 7.
Look at that.
That's nuts. Big mangroves, some jacks in there.
I think you could build it.
Spade fish. It's a spade fish.
Oh, there's a little
hogfish.
I think Hector could build it.
Yeah, Hector could definitely build this.
100%.
The permit gulping for air, never seen that. What is that?
Barracuda.
A barracuda? Yeah, I think that's what that is.
Kookaburra.
Big old tank. I wonder how many gallons this is. Probably, I'd say a solid 15,000 probably. What would you do if you caught a yellowtail that big out in the ocean?
I'm naming this one Felicia.
Felicia?
She's thick and pretty.
We of course had to stop by the aquarium, so we're heading over to the fishing section to get some lures, rod holders, and other things that we're gonna need to be in the middle of the jungle for 9 days. Now apparently we need the biggest poppers you could possibly ever buy.
On sale.
Oh, $6? Wow, these are usually like $15 to $20 each. I'm gonna get one of these, and these hooks don't even need to be replaced because of the Yozuri. They have very good hooks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That kind of looks cool, yellow. They might eat that. I'm speaking for fish that are thousands of miles away right now, so I don't know what they eat. Go see if we can find some bigger ones. Oh yeah, see that's a big baby mama right there. Mm-hmm. How much is that one? We gotta get those. We gotta get those. Some big ones. Big baby mama. Look at the size of that thing. Is that for tuna?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it's not for tuna today. It's for peacocks. And whatever the heck eats it. Honestly, we're in the Amazon, dude. Who knows?
I think it's got enough.
Got enough rattle? I don't know if it's got enough rattle. Oh, these are like walkers. Look at this, dude. These things, these are sick.
Super choke, but nomad.
Wow.
That, you want that.
All right, cool. We'll take it. Probably good. That's a lot of lures, dude. That's a lot of lures. Dude, you should catch big snook on these bombers. Leader. I would say more than that.
What?
Yeah, 60 pound, 15, 60. We'll do 15, 60. That's good enough.
I think you could use this.
This will catch the capybara.
Yeah,
dude, you know we're actually gonna see those.
Really?
They like roam the banks there.
You could totally use this. Well, you know, going down the river, you know, you just...
Dude, they would pipe that thing.
You just put it down, you just put it out there, and it
just...
They're good. I'm literally gonna go ahead.
65 pound, 300 yards, nice thick braid. Just like we like them, nice and thick. Yeah. That is most definitely long enough. Holy smokes. All right, so Hey, wait, good. I only need 7 foot. 7 foot rod tube. This will hold our rods to get to the final location. We got all the lures, leader, braid for the reel, bazooka. It looks like a sling.
Hold it over your shoulder. They're not gonna. TSA is gonna question you.
This is the only one that'll fit my rods. Thankfully, they had it. I think we've checked off just about everything we need from here. I've got the gloves. I've got this clothing. You want everything covering your body because there's so many bugs. I've got like just about everything I think we're gonna need. Another expense I didn't expect to have, but I'm definitely buying it because I don't want to take the risk. Mosquito repellent. We're gonna grab. Let's get a green one. We'll match in with the Amazon. Got that. Now we won't get attacked by bugs when we're sleeping. Hopefully. Maybe not. Dude, thank God for this mesh net right here around my bed, or else I would be toast. Yep. All right. That is a trip to Bass Pro, fellas. We're out.
Look who it is, bud. It's good to see you, man.
You're about 10 hours late. I've been sitting in that box the whole time.
Hey, guys. What's up? Look at your camera compared to mine.
Alright, guys and girls. Cuffaros, we have made it. Get out of my camera screen. We're going to the Amazon, baby. It's officially happened. This is a little trip that I've wanted to do for our entire life. This is our plane right here.
They reached out to me right before we came out and they asked me if I could be a second pilot. And then on our way...
If you're flying, I'm going home. That's it.
This is a big old baby mama, though. Look at the size of this thing. Plenty of place to put all of our fishing rods and all of our gear up in here. But yeah, Cuffaros, this video is essentially getting into the jungle. It's gonna be hours of traveling. Of course, I'll take you along the whole entire way. And then of course, throughout the series of being out here, we're gonna make some banger videos catching some crazy fish that we actually have like in the aquariums at home, in their natural habitat. Red-tailed catfish, tiger shovelnose, the hybrid species that we've seen, payara, big peacock bass, you name it, we're probably gonna be catching it out here. We've got all the rods. It's been a long, long process to get here. Just to even this moment, we still have a prop plane, a 7-hour boat ride, and we're going in the middle of the jungle.
Yes, we are, but we're not coming back.
Well, no, I hope we're coming back.
We're coming back at one point in time.
I hope so. Touchdown. We made it. Oh yeah, a little pit stop, eh boys?
Little refuel.
A little refuel. We got all the bags over here, as you can see right there, and the river's right there. So we're good to go. We're stopping to get some lunch. From here, we hit the river. Boat drive, it's like 7 hours into the Amazon. So we're gonna eat up some chicken. Oh, look at that piece of chicken right there. Wow. That is good. That is so good. Boat is loaded up. Got everything up above. How you doing, Brenton?
Good.
We are loaded down. We got a total of 8 people, plus the captain, 9 people in this boat. We're heading out. Brenton! We made it. It is the morning, bright and early. This is where we slept, in here. You gotta stay pretty, as you can see, covered up. I mean, I choose to at least. I'm not getting bit by bugs. I mean, that is what we're chasing today, some big versions of that, but at camp, I did not expect to see half the things I've seen. There's double toilets, double showers. This is like the little villa where everyone's staying because we're not the only people on this trip. Houses in there, that's where you stay. And you come down here, you gotta check out this view. I'll show you a bit more of what camp's got. I mean, that's the camp right there. You can just see the view right here. The Amazon River, fellas. And that's where we're fishing today. Over here is this long pathway. Kind of looks like you're walking straight into the jungle. Friendly reminder, I mean, we're in the Amazon. There is stuff we don't have at home in this jungle. Big tarantulas, almost every, look at this hole right here, that's a tarantula hole. Big old tarantula lives in there, probably comes out at night. Down this pathway, you'll see these ants that are literally like an inch long. They're called bullet ants. There's those here as well. It's Bill.
Yo.
Yo. So we got a bunch of other guys we're on this trip with, which is awesome. Hey buddy, what's up dude? That's a little puppy. There's a bunch of these guys roam around. They live here, obviously they're fed here. Keep on walking. And this right here, exactly where we eat dinner, which is a beautiful spot. I mean, this is all hand done. I mean, it's nuts. And folks, that's camp. Nothing too crazy, but to be in the middle of the Amazon jungle, that's crazy. Go buddy, go buddy, go. Anyway, you get the gist of where we're at. You see where we're at. A 5-hour boat ride after a plane after a commercial flight. Middle of the jungle. And today, we're targeting large peacock bass. So first, a bite to eat for breakfast, and then we're getting down to the water to do what?
We're gonna do some freaky stuff.
No, we're fishing, boys. Gosh dang it.
That was what I was going up to say, Jake, when you took my line. For the next 9 days, we're gonna be completely stranded in the Amazon jungle with no way out until October 24th. So, just a heads up. If you don't see us for a while, we didn't make it.
Hence why we haven't posted in like 10 days.
Yeah, that's exactly why.
Brenton?
Yep.
So long, man.
We're not gonna make it.
We are going through the brush right now to get to this spot. I can touch the leaves. So we just casually, first cast on the spinnerbait, catches a piranha.
Nice one.
That is a fat piranha.
We're gonna have him for dinner.
Dinner?
Or breakfast or whatever.
Sweet. Awesome. That is that's food, fellas. We are in the Amazon, so gotta eat sometimes what we catch. I'm gonna keep throwing the top water, see if we can get a big peacock. There he is, smoked spinner. The first ever Temensis peacock that I've ever seen caught.
Thank you. That's fun.
So long. So I switched up to the spinnerbait. The top water wasn't getting much action, hadn't got a bite, casted a lot. We're gonna give the spinnerbait a try because he's had a lot of action on his. Yeah. Oh, on the drop. That was a far cast. Hey. We're doubled up. I think mine's coming right at the boat. Not sure how big it is. He's got a good one right there. Wow.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, not bad. Holy smokes. That is crazy. There he is. Good old peacock bass. See you later, buddy. Oh yeah, Temensis, beautiful.
Look at the
pattern.
like on that phase, and they have the spots on them.
Yeah, it's like a speckled. The colors, polka dotted. They are loving that. There we are, folks. Thank you. Oh my gosh, right there. Oh, it's a little guy, but he's aggressive. Strong little guy. The colors are just unreal. Thank you. That's back to back. 2 casts, 2 fish. Take that any day. That is it for day 1, arriving to camp. Just pretty much testing the waters of what it's gonna be like in the Amazon for 8 days straight. Episode by episode, we're gonna experience some crazy things, like going to visit villages full of kids, even some payara fishing. That's next episode. Make sure you're subscribed. This trip is just crazy. You won't regret it, I promise. I'll see you not tomorrow, but the next day. We're gonna do every other day uploads for 4 videos straight. Peace out, Cuffaros.